PLUG stock analysis and PLUG stock prediction. What I will be showing in this brief and short 1-minute video is my exact play. Look, I'm the only guy in this space who's done this for 42,000 videos over 5 years, and I'm not even exaggerating this. I actually have done it all, documented, and ultimately looking at block power is just a pretty decent bullish market for me. Last two predictions before the current one, I got a loss and then a win. You can see you win some, you lose some, but it's about making the winners bigger than the losses. And here in this case, my winner is 4 times bigger than the loss. This was made like 13 days back, 2 weeks ago. Not only did it deliver, the only thing that I would care about here is the price to give me that double break. And with block power, you can see I have 32 results in the Discord. Trade alerts actually on my YouTube. Moving forward, unless I see this double break, I'm not looking to do anything really. And you know, in trading, there is 2 games. There is getting inside a trading game and there's managing the trade game. If you want to learn both my approaches that take me 5 years to kind of learn, first link in the description, absolutely risk-free. You get all this good jazz. That's about it.